Hello and welcome to the Cursing Seamstress. This is not a sewing video. Instead, this is a short video about the Sylvan Heights Bird Park. The Sylvan Heights Bird Park is located in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. It's in northeastern North Carolina in a very small town. It is a conservation, research and education entity that was started by Mike and Allie Lubbock. They are from England. They started this project in another town and then moved it to Scotland Neck, I believe. This park is a wonderful experience. And if you live within 2 hours of Scotland Neck, it's definitely worth the trip to either pack a lunch. There are plenty of places in the park to sit down and eat and enjoy nature. Or you can also find a couple of spots to eat in town. There is a Hardee's and there's also an Italian restaurant that's quite good. So there are a couple of options. The park is open Tuesday through Sunday from 9 to 5. Admission, depending upon your age, is anywhere from free to $10. They also have a $36 per year membership. I think that's a family membership. But I encourage you to go to their website and you can see everything that they offer. It's just a beautiful place. It's full of all kinds of birds. There is an area where you can actually walk in and there are canaries that will land on you. You can feed them and really enjoy them close up. They also have live cams that you can access where they hatch various birds. It's just a great place. So I hope you enjoy the video. What you're going to see is mostly my daughter and her two boys. The 8-year-old was participating for the second time in a summer program for children. He loves it, and this was the day before the last day. I think it was a 4-day program. And you can see him engaging in some games and some of the other kids who were also involved. So just enjoy a little bit of the scenery. What I captured is nothing compared to what the entire park has to offer. So enjoy.
One more round? Okay. All right, so Callie, get in and stand by Pierce. Emma, your partner is a Newmont.
Oh no! She might get me one.
And you are Jenny. You're Michaela. You two. Well, hold on, y'all switch.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna
Okay.
Don't throw it too much. Do it under and throw it.
All right, hold on. Let me get out of this.
Way too hard.
Okay, ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
No.
Oh, okay. All right, this side, take a step back.
I just caught it.
All right, on your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, no. All right, hold on. This side, if you're still in, take a step back. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh. All right, let's see how far y'all can go.
We're the only ones in.
All right, go.
Oh, I caught it.
All right, step back again. Go. Okay, so now, all right, so now let's get in a circle. Everybody get on. Stay where you are and get in a circle.
We're with the farthest. Hold hands. If I didn't get so far. Look at more.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have one balloon, okay? And we're going to see how long we can keep it going.
Okay.
So the rule is you can't throw it to somebody that's right next to you, okay? You have to throw it at least 2 people away. And we're going to see how long, we're going to see how long we can keep it going.
Get me wet.
Are we in a circle?
No, we're not.
Okay. And what you guys are going to do is come stand in your line. Come stand in your line right here. Okay, you each need a clap.
Hey,
Who's in the front? You just have to do that. Okay, so everybody get lined up behind her. And what's good? Line up behind her.
Put it on top of your head.
So what's going to happen is, and you guys listen, because you guys are going to have to do this next. So what's going to happen is, Bane's going to start with the cup. And her job is going to be, she has to take it and pour it over her head into Emma's cup.
Oh,
Into. She can't turn around and look. She's got to take it and pour it into Emma's cup. So it's Emma's job to make sure that she's got her cup in the right place. And then Emma will get her water and she's got to do the same thing. Pour it over her head and take it. We'll get, I'm going to bring you Briar's. You got to keep it down? Yeah, below his head. All right, go.
Right there, Briar.
All right.
Where's the butt?
Keep on going. Maybe you can keep it off.
I'm gonna take Walkie out. Okay. We're going to do a walk in there.
Terry.
Why is one track?
Yesterday they had a quail, and he was like that this in the morning. And then when we came to pick Finn up, he was bouncing all over in there.
Yeah, and walking. Bouncing and walking. Where are we now? Over here. Can we go see? We need to walk out. Can we see the exotic birds? Yeah, let's go see the Hawaiian birds or the treehouse. Go look at the Hawaiian birds. I'm just looking. I'm not going to buy anything. I'm just going to look. Where are you going now?
The Bob's out there.
No, I want to see Finn. And I can't play all the looking at. Okay, what are those birds over there? Doesn't say. Look, it's up. Duck right under us. Look. Look at his little feet. A duck here. Wait. Duck. That's a station there. Hey, mine.
Yeah,
Station there. It's like their own pond.
it is. Look at the swans coming. You see the big white swans with the black heads?
And then we can go to the, you know what? Yeah, maybe we can go to the tree house and then we can go to your, see those large? Papa, we want to see the exotic birds, then we're going to see
Okay, well, let's me in on three.
Walker, stay with me, honey.
I'm not.